Hold a barbell or easy curl bar with the palms of your hands facing forward. Then lie on a flat bench with your head close to the end of the bench. Your grip should be inside shoulder width. Extend your arms in front of you and slowly bring the bar back in a semicircular motion until it's over your head. Your arms should be overhead and parallel to the floor. Be sure to keep your elbows in at all times. This will be your starting position. Now inhale and slowly lower the bar by bending with your elbows, making sure to keep your upper arms stationary. Keep lowering the bar until your forearms are perpendicular to the floor. Then exhale and lift the bar back to the starting position. Push the bar up in a semicircular motion until your lower arms are also parallel to the floor.